Hello, my name is Saffron and welcome to Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. Today I got my September 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It's like $30 a month. You get to choose 3 out of 2 products that the other 2 they select for you. And it's a little monthly treat for me. And I just got mine today. The other day, excuse me, I think it was the 17th. Yeah, the 17th. The other day I got my Walmart beauty box and I have that video up now. Now, a few days later I got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Today's the 20th. So about 3 days later I got the bag. A little pouch that it comes in. I'm excited to get it. The last one I got was back in July. I had to cancel for a month because I was unemployed for a little bit, and then once I got back employed and working, I started back my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I'm so excited. I love this bag. So go ahead and unbox it for you. Unbag it, whatever you call it. The first item, which it's pretty big item. It's a Elemis Clarifying Clay Wash. And I believe I've gotten something, I think like an exfoliator or something from them. I was running out of facial cleanser, so I thought I would, no, well, they chose this for me, but I was running out of cleansers, so. Elemis Clarifying Clay Wash. I guess it's made with clay. And massage in a damp skin and rinse off. Use daily, morning and evening. So just pretty much a face cleanser. Let me look what the value of it is. The value is $49. And it helps with blackheads and blemishes. This is kind of interesting because they usually have clay mask. I've never tried a cleanser, but I guess it was, I don't know. I guess it kind of dries your face a little bit as you use it, I guess. I don't know. Well, I'll have to try it out. It helps wash impurities and blemishes away with non-drying clay cleanser that's made for blemish-prone and sensitive skin. Its balancing formula contains purifying kaolin clay, soothing hawthorn extract, and nourishing baldo leaf. That's interesting to say it's non-drying. Usually your clay masks, facial clay masks, are pretty drying, so we'll try it out, see how it goes. The next item is Refreshments Velvety Body Cream. That's a big old thing. I have something like this already. Let me find it. Let me see. Yeah, I have the little hand version of this. I have the hand cream of this, and I have the big old body cream. I love it too, so I'm glad I got a bigger thing of it. I can't remember if did I make this an add-on? I know when I resubscribed, they sent me they're going to send me an extra item or gift or something for resubscribing. I guess that's it. I guess that's like my little gift for resubscribing. That's pretty nice. Let's see. I don't know the value of that, but I'm glad to have a bigger, I mean, it's a body cream, but it's hand cream, body cream. I think it's pretty much the same stuff, you know. Let's see. And I got the little pamphlet thing. I don't really ever look at these things. That's how his makeup looks, but most of my items, kind of a spoiler, but most of the items I got this month are skincare related items. Netflix. I swear everything's on Netflix. I almost want to subscribe to Netflix because, well, my parent, I live with some other people, or my parents, and they watch cable. They watch cable and stuff. But there's nothing good on cable. I wouldn't pay for cable if it was me, but my parents pay for cable, and most of the things we watch is like Big Bang Theory and Young Sheldon, or I mean, that's the only good programs on that thing. And I don't know how much I pay. I'm sure it's $100 or something a month. But every time I find something good, it's like, it's on Netflix. I'm like, ugh. I think I want to subscribe to Netflix. This is a school for good and evil. Huh. They have little bundles or something for it. That kind of sounds interesting too, but Netflix, you gotta subscribe to it. You can't watch it on cable. Nothing's on cable anymore. Like, even, like, I'm sorry for ranting, but, like, even, like, the 31 days of Halloween this year, like, I saw the schedule, there's no Addams Family, there's no Dark Shadows. It's like, what's going on? It's like, The Simpsons or something. I think they're gonna have Beetlejuice and stuff, but there's no Addams Family. And they usually have Dark Shadows, and I'm like, it's not there. I don't know. Cable TV is just disappointing anymore. Sorry for ranting, but that's my rant. It's not even makeup. Well, next item is a full ritual magnetic balm. I believe I chose this item. No, they chose this for me. I chose it. It's a lip balm. It's kind of interesting it's in a package like this. And the price of it's $23. And it's a magnetic balm that leaves your lips feeling silky and glossy. It's rich in squalene and helps lock in moisture to give you soft, supple, plump lips. Isn't squalene like Snell stuff? I think that's what that is. Kind of gross. But, I don't know. Just looks like you just put it on. Let me try to open this right quick. Looks like a mascara thing. There's a run of it. Second Nature. I guess that's the... Oh, it smells good. It has like a vanilla scent. That's the color of it. Ooh. Let me try some on, even though I got some stuff on. Sorry, my lips are kind of messy. Oh, that smells good. It's like a vanilla scent. It's $23. Made in Italy. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. I love the smell. It feels pretty good on the lips. I'm always needing something hydrating like lip balm and stuff. I can't live without it. I can't really live without lip scrub too, because it helps, like, especially like during the fall time of year, your skin gets so dry, and like, you know, your lips get kind of flaky. That I get like lip scrubs, and I scrub it really good. I use like a toothbrush and scrub my lips, and it gets rid of like flaky lips. That's that item. My next item, I chose this item. I kind of forgot, like when you do your choices, you do it the second of each month. And I forgot they already chose a cleanser for me, but I can always use another cleanser, you know. And sometimes different cleansers, I don't know, sometimes I'll use different cleansers for stuff like if I'm just washing my face, I'll use a light cleanser, but some like days I'll use like a face scrub. I might use something like this. I think it's like hydrating. I don't know, when you exfoliate your face, you kind of need some more hydration, because it kind of dries out your face a little bit. Yeah, this is face cleanser, and it's a comforting cleansing cream that goes deep to purify with purify your skin with glacial, oceanic, clay minerals and plant extracts. So it's like a help remove makeup, dead skin cells, and environmental debris from your skin. So could be like a makeup remover. You shake it. It says you shake it, apply cleanser with fingertips in a small. You add some water to it, and then you apply it to your face and with circular motions. Most of the time, I use a face cleanser in the shower. The way it kind of cleans, That way you don't have to use a rag or not a rag, but a face towel or whatever. So, I don't know. But that's my preferred method of washing my faces in the shower. Most of the time, if I'm like in the evenings, I'll just use makeup wipes. I probably should use a face cleanser in the evening. A lot of people on YouTube say use a face cleanser in the evening, but I don't know. Late at night or whatever, I just want to take off my face and, do whatever I have to do right before I go to bed. But that item was $16. No, $18. That's not bad. Let's see what our next item up for bid is. I believe this is an add-on. I love to do the add-on items, like if I need, if I'm about to run out of like mascara or foundation, I'll do an add-on. It might be, I don't ever do the higher price stuff so much, but if it's like $3 or something, I usually do those items. Yeah, this is an item that added on. And I've tried this before, and it's really good stuff. It's body butter. Excuse me. They don't really ever tell the prices of the sample items. But I think I've gotten this before, some similar item like it. Let's see what the scent of it is. Well, it says sweet. Ooh, it smells good. Definitely sweet pineapple. Let's see. Ooh, that smells good. Something I can put in my bag. So I got like 2 hand lotions this month. This one I just put in my bag. The other one's kind of big, but I'll use it. I forgot to show you the bag for this month. It says, "You got this." It's pretty cute. It's kind of basic. Usually this month is one of those meh months. Kind of blah months. Next month they'll probably have, I don't know, usually the holiday months like October, they'll have like a really cute, like kind of spooky looking bag. And December, seems like December they always have something special, like maybe an extra item or something in your bag. So this one's kind of I like what I got so far, but it's one of those months where it's kind of like there's not really anything like exciting. I mean, I love what I got, but it's not like exciting. Like, oh my gosh, I got something, I got stuff I kind of need, so, or will use. So. See what the next item is. It's in a little bubble pouch. Ooh, I love that sound. Don't you love that sound? I love that sound. I'm weird. Let's see here. Got a Clarify, Brighten It, 10% lactic acid solution. It's like a exfoliator. I guess it's kind of like, is it kind of like a chemical peel thing? I've done chemical peels before. I went to esthetician school years ago and they taught us about that, and it just takes off a layer of your face. But surely this probably wouldn't do that because it's probably like a lesser grade. Let's I chose this item. I don't know. I thought it kind of looked kind of interesting. And it's exfoliant. Don't let your dark marks and evil skin tone get you down. Brighten up with this gentle exfoliating toner that enlists the help of alpha hydroxy acid to reduce your dark marks and discoloration for smoother and brighter looking skin that glows. Use at night on clean skin. Apply a small amount over your face and follow up with a moisturizer immediately afterwards. So it's like a toner. I'll have to try it. You probably have to really, that face oil cleanser I probably have to use and really wash off my face before you use this so it'll penetrate better. I have to try it, and it's $60. Not me. I would not pay that, but in a beauty bag, it's not so bad, you know. Let's see. Got one more item, yeah. Got Saturday Skin Pretty Pop, probiotic power whipped cream. It's like a face cream, I believe. That's the box right there. Try to open it up, see what it looks like. Cute little container. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's kind of holographic a little bit. See the info, and I believe I chose this item. Let's see. Saturday Skin. This would probably be really good to use with that exfoliator since it's really hydrating. It says place moisturizer onto the palm of your hand using 4 fingers. Apply an upward circular motion, tapping the moisturizer in the skin. $49. It says this velvety smooth moisturizer not only feels dreamy on your skin, it delivers results that are bright, dewy, and glowy AF. It's all thanks to niacinamide, okra, and white lupin, which help hydrate the skin and smooth the look of fine lines to keep skin looking soft, supple, and bouncy. Cool. Definitely have to try it. I might try that exfoliant and this tonight. I like the little packaging. It's kind of holographic, but that's all for this month of Ipsy. I think it's a pretty good bag. Everything I'll use. I don't usually get a lot of makeup, but I think I'll start getting more makeup because I started this new job and I've been wearing makeup. My last job I was wearing a mask every day, so I was like, I didn't wear makeup as often, but my new job I don't wear masks, so I've been wearing makeup every day, so maybe I'll use more makeup. But that's all for this month. Please please subscribe, and please follow me on social media. My social media will be on the description below, as well as an Ipsy referral link. Thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all have a great day. I'll see y'all next month. Goodbye.